Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So today in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBP USD and we will also share our trading plans with all of you guys. So before we discuss about our today's plan, first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we discussed in yesterday's video. So these analyses were done in yesterday's video. If you did not watch our video, please go to our YouTube channel FX Versal and watch that video. So in that video we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level and there is a high probability chance to go market up above this resistance level. So there was no trade range. Okay, so now we discuss about our sell trade. I told in yesterday's video, if market break this support level then we will open a sell trade. So the best entry was here when market when this candle close below this support level and the next candle goes up to retest this support level and then come down. And if we look on here, your entry should be below this candle and your SL should be above this candle wick. And mostly I am using 1-2 risk rewards, but unfortunately 1-2 risk reward didn't hit. We got 1-1 risk reward easily. So that was the best sell trade in GBP USD yesterday. On the other side, we said that we will open a buy trade above this resistance level, but we did not find any good entry in buy because let's see, this candle closed almost at the resistance. That's why we did not open any buy trade. If this candle close almost here like this and this candle comes down to retest this resistance and then go up, then we will open a buy trade. So we did not find any good trade in GBP USD yesterday. So right now we are going to do some fresh live analysis for today. Before going to do some fresh live analysis, please subscribe this channel. And don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. Okay, so first of all we will remove these all areas. First of all we will go on D1 time frame. Okay, so this is the D1 time frame. Okay, so we have a high almost here and low almost here. Now we go on H4 time frame. This is the H4 time frame. Let's modify these areas. So we have a resistance almost here. This is the support level, resistance level. Now we come on H1 time frame. Let's modify these areas. Yeah. Okay, so this was the range I think when market, but no, like yesterday's, if this candle close almost below this support and this candle goes up to retest this support and then come down, then there will be a good trade, but we did not catch this trade. Okay, so this is the resistance level and this was the support level which market broke. Now we look on M30 time frame and let's modify these areas. I think area should be here. There are wicks, but no, we will use the resistance on H1 time frame. This is a clear resistance. Okay, so I think H1 will be fine for today. So this is the resistance level. If market break this resistance level and close above and the next candle comes down to retest this resistance area, then goes up, then you can open a buy trade above the previous candle top wick. So this will be a nice trade. Otherwise, if we look on M30 time frame, then this is also a supply area at the as support level. So let's see, if market comes up to retest this area, then you can open a sell trade at this point and you can take 1-2 risk reward easily. This can be a good trade. If you find any confirmation at this point, you can open a sell trade, otherwise there will be a buy trade at this point. Let's show the arrows here. Buy trade above this area, and if market goes at this point, then you can take sell. I think this will be a good trade. Yeah, I think this will be a good trade. And otherwise, if market make any support in this range and goes up, then comes down to break that support, then there will be also a good sell trade, and I think that will be a great. So these are the trading plans of GBPUSD for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. Make sure you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live Forex analysis. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.